Wake up, neighbors.
Yeah, sorry guys.
That's super clean. It's black. It's a pain in the butt to keep clean. I respect that. I'll never have a black car. But just look at it, though. That's gorgeous. Those LMGTs. That wing. Come on now. This is a beautiful R32. Look at the teeth shining. Teeth smiling in the front. Big old intercooler. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another vlog. On the episode today, we have this beautiful black R32. KH3 is Nissan. KH3 black. Yeah. That's a classic black. They don't have any other black. Just that KH3 black is the best Nissan black there is. Man. Guys, this is Adam.
What's going on?
Awesome owner to this beautiful car, man. And as usual, there's always a turmoil where I want to talk about the car, but then I'll give away too much. So let's go ahead. Let's get this ball rolling. Let's get the interview going. And let's talk about this car. That way, we can mic this bad boy up as soon as possible and hear how awesome it sounds. It's so cool. Got a little taste of it on the way over here. It's awesome. So let's get this interview rolling. Be right back. Hey, Adam, this is a beautiful ride, man. What is it?
This is a 1989 Nissan Skyline GTST.
It's beautiful, man.
I appreciate it.
There's a lot of style and cues on this thing. It's so beautiful, man. So, like, what appearance mods have you done to it?
Just obviously I had it repainted, and then I put the GTR rear spoiler on it, and then I purchased the LMGT4s.
That's one thing definitely with the black that stands out are the wheels. So on that note, what wheels and tire setup and suspension?
Nismo LMGT4 18-inch with Falcon as Zenith tires.
Nice. Is it the factory brakes, or have you done anything to the brakes?
Just factory brakes.
Okay. What suspension are you running?
Fortune Auto coilovers, and then just stock suspension. Other than that, I deleted the Hikis in the rear.
So what have you done performance-wise?
I swapped the original RB20 for an RB25 Neo, built the head on it with Kelford cams, 6266 VS Racing billet ball bearing turbo, front mount intercooler, and then ID 1000 injectors, and I got a flex fuel sensor running E85.
Oh, nice. I see there's some custom harness work. Did you do that yourself? Or?
No, I just broke out the wallet and paid Wiring Specialties to get it right.
Oh, yeah? It's a clean harness.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Love that strut bar. Can you tell me about that strut bar?
Just an old logo Nismo bar that I found, scouring the internet, and then just powder coated it to match the valve cover and the timing cover.
That valve cover, timing cover, everything is so beautiful. Like the little stamp on the top hat of that strut bar is beautiful. The engine bay is a beautiful engine bay, man.
I appreciate it, dude. It's been a lot of time, and it's a labor of love.
So what have you done on the interior?
Pretty much the rear seats stock. I did the Recaro confetti seats in the front, and then I did the headliner also in the Recaro confetti, and did fabric inserts in the doors, the Recaro confetti. So I just tried to theme the car and build the car the way somebody would have in the 90s, and just go with that type of era parts.
That's cool. I haven't seen that yet, and it sounds amazing. I gotta go check that out in a little bit. Finally, about the car, what do you love about the car?
I love the Recaro confetti headliner. I mean, I really enjoy that. I like the Freddy stamp on the intake manifold. It's a Freddy manifold, and then I guess that little, I have an old school Vilside Racing oil cap, and it's a pretty rare piece, and I think that's a pretty tricky little thing.
I do like, there's little splashes of rarity, splashes of old school period parts that is unobtainium stuff these days, and it's sprinkled throughout the entire build, and I really love that. That's pretty cool. It's a nice build, man.
I appreciate it.
Smell that corn. Smell that corn, guys. Welcome back to the video. I think I've lost my toll. Here it is. all mic'd up, all videoed up. We're just gonna go for a ride.
We made 400 on 14 pounds on a Mustang dyno, which is, you know, a heartbreaker.
Yeah, heartbreaker.
So, and then we turned it up and it started breaking up. So I don't know what it really makes.
Okay.
But shoot,
Okay.
loose level.
You gotta love standalones.
Yeah.
You gotta love standalones.
There's a bunch of tricks if you know how to do it. You can do a bunch of stuff. We go hit a country road. In the grass.
It's a scenic road, a lot of nice properties.
Leaning underneath boost right there. I don't know why. I don't like that at all. Plenty of fuel in
it. How much PSI you pushing?
I hit 20 pounds right there.
Woo. On a stock bottom?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got Porsche rod stock though.
Okay.
But the pistons are cast, you know. I hate to even tell you this, but I reused the piston rings. I didn't even buy new piston rings in there.
Why that?
I just bought them. They all look. The engine looked great.
Okay.
I mean, it just looked good.
Nice.
Watch out. Watch out. AF4 close.
It pulls nice. Sounds nice.
It's going to lean up top, but we're not even getting to the good area. That's fucking sucks. That sucks.
What could it be?
Either I just don't have enough fuel. So like either my fuel pressure's dropping, because it used to be plenty range.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta be losing fuel pressure. That's my guess. It should not be leaning out.
Is it because it's just so cold?
I don't know. No, it shouldn't be. I mean, it should be.
Have enough pump to push regardless.
I don't know. I got a 340 in there. And according to this, if you Google online, it says it should be plenty. But what I'm wondering, this is the first time I've had E85 in this car. This is the second tank of E85s, and I got a fuel filter up front. So I'm wondering if I'm just cleaning a bunch of this shit in the fuel system out in the fuel filter spot. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Plenty lean?
14.7. Yeah, I mean, that's lean. I can't get on it like I want to, dude. I'm sorry.
Right. No, that's fine. I mean, it pulling just as is, it's pulling hard.
Yeah, I mean, it feels good.
Yeah. it gets some good turbo noises, some good exhaust noises.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that open wastegate's on that side too.
It is, definitely, you can tell.
It's got a 60mm gate on it.
That's a big ass gate.
I didn't want blue screen. And I was fighting it with the setup.
Yeah, because I did what, like a 38? They got a tile 38 or whatever.
Yep.
Sheesh. That's a big ass gate, 60?
Yeah. And I had a name brand fucking Turbo Smart or whatever gate. And when I upsize it, it's an $80 fucking Amazon wastegate on there. It works fine.
Yeah.
I'm a big guy, like I'll cut some corners on stuff that you can cut a corner on. Like there's no sense in spending money on shit just to have a name, you know what I mean? Because dude, I've used eBay turbos and then eBay wastegates and blow-off valves on just about every turbo build I've ever done and never had issues. If you tear apart the wastegates when you get them,
yeah,
make sure that hat's on there correctly, lock tight the screws, shit works just as good as a tile.
It's just a simple mechanism.
Yep.
Just make sure the mechanism is tip top.
That's it. This is one of the best views around the county, in my opinion.
All these back roads, man, it's just fun, just driving up and down and stuff like that. Oh wow. Yeah.
Pretty dope, right?
Yeah. Oh, and then the road, you can see the road just curving through it all. That's cool. I think this is the loudest gate I've been in just doing some of these cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds like a dragon down there screaming.
Dude.
Yeah, carpool's pretty good.
Yeah, it does. I mean, the pops too, coming out of the gate too. Yeah.
Just it's just a dog down low.
Oh yeah. Wake up, neighbors.
Yeah, sorry guys.
That's true 90s right there, man. That was cool. You know, because some of the newer builds and stuff, the rawness goes away.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, this is creature comfort compared to the Datsun, though. You know what I mean? You get into that and it's raw.
It's very raw.
It's a go-kart.
Uh-huh. So you think it's just dirtiness, crud in the fuel filter?
I don't know. I don't know if that fuel map wasn't tuned right, because the best we could get that E85 blend on the dyno was like 58%. So we flushed it over and over again.
The tires will do well though.
I mean, they're okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try Triple Eights next time.
Okay.
But these came on the wheels, man.
Yeah, they're doing fine. I'm blowing my. It's so awesome. It's well, that was fun. I mean, the thing is, you hear a lot of people say you don't need high horsepower, whatever. You just need a well-running car, enough power, 4 or 5-ish, and it's just fun. That was fun. The sounds, the noises, the spool, the pull, it was awesome. It was a great ride. It was a fun ride. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys enjoyed the sounds of it. Let's look it over one more time. The interior is pretty neat. It's so period. It just brings a smile to your face, you know? The sounds it makes brings a smile to your face. The blow-off valve, the dump, the open gate. It was pretty cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, put a comment, hit a like, drop a share. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how it sounds. Bronze on the black. It's just awesome. And then carry on some of the bronze under the hood. Beautiful build. I love it. I really do. But until next time, guys, you all take it easy.